Alright everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1965 Ford Mustang. As you can see, this car is really unique. You see that the speedometer is not like a 66. This is when the Mustang actually had its real classic look. Besides that, our original tune-out radio still works. We got nice blowing cold AC, our nice automatic clean console with our nice clean leather bucket seats. We got really nice brakes, as you can see right now. Our working horn. You can see she's ready to go right away. There's no hesitation in the gas, no hesitation in the brakes. The steering, the wheel wants to just turn any which way you want to put it. It doesn't want to pull. You got our really good Mustang punch stripes with a little stick-in cowl induction with our very glossy red paint job. Definitely a really smooth driving Mustang. But you should check it out at Skyway Classics and some of our other inventory. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.